Hey guys, welcome back. So today I've got something really exciting to share with you. Higgsfield has just launched a brand new model called Kling's Motion Control, and honestly, it's a game changer for creators like us. This new feature lets you mix and control motion in a super smart way, meaning you can guide exactly how your characters move, dance, walk, jump, or vibe. No more stiff movements or awkward animations. You literally tell it the style of motion you want, and it brings it to life. I decided to test it out in the most fun way possible by creating a trending dancing baby video. You know those cute baby dance videos that go viral all over TikTok and Reels? Yeah, I made one with Kling's motion control, and the results are crazy good. What I love most is how smooth and realistic the movement looks. The baby isn't just moving randomly. Every dance step actually follows the motion style I selected. It feels natural, playful, and super eye-catching, which is exactly what you need if you're trying to go viral. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I used Higgsfield and Kling's motion control model to create this dancing baby from scratch, from choosing the motion style, to syncing it with music, to getting that final viral ready look. If you're into AI videos, faceless content, kids animation, or just want to make fun, trending videos without filming yourself, this is something you don't want to miss. Make sure you watch till the end, because I'll show you the final dancing baby video and break down the simple steps I used to create it. Let's jump in and make something viral.
Alright, so the next thing you have to do is to head over to higgsfield.ai site. Alright, once you go there, you can sign in or sign up if you don't have an account. Alright, you will see other beautiful templates that Higgsfield have on their site. Alright, the next thing you have to do is to click or select image. Okay, when you go on image, select the Nano Banana Pro. Paste in the prompt of your baby in the box. You can select the aspect ratio. I'll leave it on 9:16 aspect ratio, or you can select 16:9. Okay, I'll select this one and you click on generate. Okay, the image will generate. Alright, so the image is ready. The next thing you have to do is to download that image to your device. Okay, once you download the image to your device, you head over to the video section at the top of the menu bar. Alright, so when you get there, scroll down to the video section, you will see Kling motion control. Okay, select that. Once you select that, when you get here, you will come over to this section. Here it will ask you to upload video reference. Okay, you click on the video reference and upload your video. Once you upload your your video reference, here in the plus sign, it will ask you to upload your image. So I will upload the image I generated through Nano Banana Pro on Higgsfield. Alright, scroll down the box. So once you've attached your image reference and your picture, you type in this prompt in the prompt box. Remember to make sure you select Kling motion control, okay, in this model part. Alright, once you've done that, you click on generate. So the video is ready. Let's watch and see. So the sound will be moved due to copyright issues. Okay, but this is how you create yours. All you need to do is to click on download here and the video will save to your device. Go ahead and try your own and use Higgsfield.ai to create stunning. You see how beautiful and clear this image is? Very beautiful and clear video.